So what are some of the traps you should definitely avoid falling into when creating your first e-commerce business? Hi, I'm John and I am the owner and founder of Life Tropics and Binky Barker, two e-com stores. I've been running e-com stores for I think about 4 years, right? And in this video, I really want to reach out to beginner store owners to tell you the things you should definitely avoid doing. So this is from my experience and from talking to other people in the industry. Selling low price and low margin products. At the end of the day, when you launch your business, you're going to need to get in customers, right? And to get in customers, you're normally going to have to pay for advertising. Most businesses, they're either using Facebook ads or Google ads or some kind of combination of both. Or they're doing something like influencer marketing, right? In all of these cases, you're going to need to pay, right, to get customers in, to get those new customers in. And how can you afford to pay for this if your product is like £15 or $15, right? It's impossible. And this is the issue with low price, low margin products. It might be costing you like $25, $30 to get each new customer in. So if you're only making like $15 per customer, you're not going to be able to advertise. And a lot of companies fall in this trap. Don't release low price, low margin products. Selling somebody else's product. So I know a lot of people in my space, so the pet industry space, they import lots of dog toys, dog bowls, dog beds, all of this kind of stuff from lots of different companies, and they end up selling all of these different products. Not their own products, not their own brand name products, but they're importing other brands. Problem with this is, first, whose brand are you building? Right? Is anybody going to remember your shop's name? Or are they going to remember, oh, this is a nice dog bed from Binky Barker? Right? Of course, they're going to remember my brand. They're not going to remember the marketplace. Right? Secondly, you are totally replaceable. If you're selling other people's products, you're just a marketplace. You could get replaced. Replaced by who? Well, Amazon, right? So Amazon can replace you. You're literally competing against the biggest marketplaces, the biggest retail giants in the world. And if people like that product, if they like the Binky Barker dog bed, who are they going to get it from next? They may get it directly from Binky Barker. Why would they come back to you? And better yet, why don't they go on Amazon and they can get free delivery, free shipping, same day, and probably get it cheaper versus your store where you don't have the economies of scale like these big giants do. So I'd highly recommend, if it's your first e-commerce business, don't sell other people's products. Not using Shopify. So a friend of mine is launching a really cool product, very exciting. And I knew this is his first big e-commerce venture that he's done. So I asked him, hey, I know you're using a development company. What website platform are they using to build your website? And he told me, oh, they have this bespoke platform. It's like a small platform. And that kind of gave me some warning signs, right? Because most people nowadays, right, especially small, medium businesses, they're using Shopify, right? And there's so many benefits of using a big platform like Shopify versus some weird, small, bespoke platform. Why is your developer even using this weird, small platform? How easy is it to update? All of this kind of stuff. Are you going to go with this unknown platform? Or are you going to go with, the platform that most people are using, like Shopify? Same goes actually, in my opinion, for platforms like WooCommerce or Magento, all these kinds of things. These are complex platforms that require development, all of this kind of stuff, right? Much better, in my opinion, to pick Shopify or something like that, which, is made especially really for small businesses, and anybody can, maintain these without really much development knowledge, right? So don't go for a small, weird, local solution. Go for a platform like Shopify for your first e-commerce store. It only costs $20 a month as well. Thinking this is a passive income stream. So I get it, some stores do make money long-term and passively. However, know that there is a good amount of work that goes into, promoting and maintaining a e-commerce shop. So, for me, I have to spend time, obviously, maintaining adverts, creating new adverts, creating new product ideas, talking to my customers, all of this kind of stuff. So while it is a side hustle for me, and while I do kind of contain the amount of work that I have to do because I have help, I have people in my team, it still does take some time. So bear in mind, if you are doing this as a side hustle, you will need some time to put aside, maybe every weekend or so, to work on this. And don't fall into any illusions that this is a immediate passive income that you can just kind of create, set and forget. So those are the 4 traps I would avoid. So that's selling other people's products, having low margin products and low price products, not using Shopify, and thinking this is a passive income stream.